Interesting enough, every time we take Haumana students to come and holo holo over here, they go fishing. They've only ever caught moi, so I think that is telling. And due to our proximity to Pihana Heiau, a heiau is a religious altar in the Hawaiian culture, and it is actually like right here, right up there. You could probably see it in some points of Ka'ehu. It is one of the, I think the second largest on Maui. The largest is on in Hana. It is the second largest in Maui, and it's the most. It is at the most strategic spot on the island where we can see our two most vulnerable advantage points. If you go up to Pihana Heiau and you look out, you can see basically on both sides where big armadas. There's probably the only place on the islands where big armadas can land, besides Oluwalu. And you guys might know the history of Oluwalu already, with all the, I think it was Captain Cook guys that landed over there. And that is the home of where the mo'i, or the monarchs at the time, would actually stay. So Ka'ehu was used. We have 64 acres of coastal wetland. It was previously used for cultivation. So anything, we had lo'i over here, as we still have now, kind of small scale at this point. But back then, this whole place was kind of just lo'i, which is wetland gardens, mala, which is dryland gardens, and also local i'as, which are fish ponds. Our type of local ia was called it was a local ia pu'uone, so it is a local ia behind a berm of sand, and it was also a local ia kalo, which was a type of local ia with brackish water that would cultivate kalo, which is taro, and fish at the same time. So Ka'ehu was traditionally used as food production sites. More modernly, we started off as a kind of conservation org, and then as through the years went on and we had more groups coming over here, we slowly got kind of sucked into the educational realm. I don't think you can do conservation without being sucked into educational realm. So now that is my kuleana, my job. I work with the Haumana. I bring in huaka'is here. They do field trips, and I teach them about what we do here at Ka'ehu, and just kind of try to pass on whatever knowledge that I have of this area and other cultural aspects. But for real fast, we'll go around, we'll just introduce our names and maybe favorite food. And we'll be super fast so that Duskin can put you guys to work. So mine is lohelani, and my favorite food is fried rice, because you can put all your leftovers into it. And we'll go this way.
I'm Kim. My favorite food is one my mom makes, which is pollo en crema, which is chicken.